Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find the number of people that disliked a video on YouTube. So if the video is for you, you can do that because YouTube recently removed the dislike feature. So when you dislike a video, people are not going to see the number of people that dislike the video, but you, the owner of the video, you can see the number of people that dislike the video. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So just hop on your studio like this and then choose a particular video you want to check for that. So let me choose this video. This is a recent video I just posted. So here I just move to my analytics and expand it. You can do the same on a PC. So on your PC section, just move to overview and then you move to your engagement of the video. So now let's scroll down. So you can see here at the engagement, you just scroll down here and you're going to see the likes versus dislikes. So just tap on that to open. And good, you can see, so this is the likes for this video, 5. Just 11 views and then 5 likes and 0 dislikes. So let me choose another video. Let me see, I can get another video that has dislikes. Engagement. And then we come here. I just want you guys to see something. Good. So you can see this is 16 likes and 3 dislikes. So 3 people think this video is not good for them, so they dislike. So that's it. So now you can check the number of people that dislike the video of yours on YouTube. If you are new here, try to just give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. This is one of the most easiest things to do with your YouTube studio, but then I decided to make a tutorial about that. If you're new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.